Bro!
I'm doing the face scan, by the way.
Face scan.
Oh shit.
Yeah, so I hope it turns out
Wait,
well.
where's chapter 3? Over there.
It's
That's the bridge.
behind the leaderboard.
Imagine
or
there's a
whatever the
fucking jump
fuck
scare when we cross this bridge.
There was. So cover your toes. Yeah, I'm on 1 bar of volume and it's so loud.
Yeah, I don't know why. I
ridiculous.
like that.
I keep telling y'all that y'all have to go into your sound settings and
Why? That's mad work, though.
Lower Roblox alone.
The Roblox people don't know how to fucking fix sound, bro. The
I
fuck?
do. I pay good money for this, and they pay me.
I mean, it's Roblox. Who's invested in the stocks? If you
Me?
invested in the stock, then you could tell them what to do.
Oh.
I
that's
was
me.
for like a week.
So then let them know, bro.
I don't know.
Email
bro.
them and say, "Hey, I own 15% of y'all. Why is there only one audio option? There's one for master volume, and that's it. That's not sound effects, music.
Come on, Dave.
It's just volume."
Even no, not even.
Oh.
Bless you.
42069.
Bless you.
Bless you, Fawaz.
Fawaz.
Is that Fawaz? Who snows?
I
Who
don't
sneezes?
know.
Who snows?
Nah, what?
Who snows?
Who snows? What if we all died right there? Oh my god, chapter 3.
Wait, lights
Here we
off,
go.
lights off, lights off.
Lights off? I can't have my lights off. Oh boy.
I hate that you can't see how big these rooms are.
It's not even that big.
I know, that's what I'm saying, but you would think the room is bigger than it is. So we came to the right for Nathan.
Oh no.
Oh, there's a bed
Oh
there.
no! Don't go in there.
I'm in here.
Oh,
We in
What the
here.
fuck is this?
Teabag
There's a
her.
door here.
Oh no.
it's another, bruh.
Probably where we're supposed to go.
Oh!
You bitch.
You guys want to check the other room just in case or not?
What's this?
First, it's about to be another locked door.
Nah,
Nah,
this
it's
was open.
Oh,
To
should
another
we play
door.
PT?
Nice.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Oh
fuck.
shit!
It's Pete.
Hey yo!
What's that? What's
Nah,
that?
nah,
Hey,
what
yo,
is
that's
that?
That's the drum
What is-
demon.
what
That's the
is
drum
that?
demon.
What is that? It has a horn?
Bro, I don't
Wait,
like that
wait,
noise.
wait,
Why
Why
is it
is-
so loud?
why is it
I
so
don't like
loud?
that. I don't like that. I don't like that.
I don't like it.
No!
Where did that come
Bro,
from?
they got me breaking my neck. What's going on?
OD, bro.
I'm
I
in
think
the corner.
other door opened.
What's
The other
happening?
one- Can we go check if the other door opened?
I think it opened.
I think we have to push inside
You
there.
heard that? You heard that, right?
Bro, Matt
Yeah.
said, and then cut off, and I thought man died.
I thought something grabbed him, bro.
All right, now let's check this door real quick.
I love how
Cause it
we were
definitely
like.
sounded like it opened.
This way? No.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was
Nah,
right
it
over
didn't.
here. to the
Oh
right.
yeah, it was.
Wait, check if it's.
Nah, it's
Nah,
No, it's still locked. Well, God
we gotta
damn it,
go
we have to
inside
go.
there.
Oh,
Fuck.
God.
Oh, I don't like that music though. That shit was wacky.
Guys,
Yo,
the
so
imposter
yeah.
is among us.
Yeah, who would have thought we had to head to the door that...
They sound on the left corner.
Oh,
You see the fingers?
fingers, bitch. Stop playing.
Wait, how are we supposed to? Oh, it's open. Never mind. On the left.
Seems like I need a
Oh,
crowbar
we need a
for this.
crowbar. There might be a
Nah,
crowbar right
this
here.
is-
Oh,
Somebody
no
shoulder
shit,
peek,
right?
shoulder peek, shoulder peek, shoulder peek.
It's not.
Is that? But it's definitely like the same.
Nah, bro, this is that
Design.
PT.
It's the
This
same
is
layout.
PT. This is PT. This is PT. No,
Yes.
no.
Oh,
What is
Oh,
that? You guys saw that?
Wait,
Did you guys
wait,
see
wait,
that?
Wait, wait, wait.
Did you guys
saw
see
that.
that?
What the fuck was up
Did you
there?
guys see?
I saw that.
See what?
I thought it was like a clock.
It was like a body.
I thought it was a
hanging.
light.
Nah, that was definitely a body hanging. I was like,
Matt, where you at?
I died.
Where we
People
lost
got
Matt?
him.
They got him, bro. You didn't hear him scream?
You
Man's just
suck.
stuck downstairs.
Shoulder peek, shoulder peek, shoulder peek.
Hey, yo, I'm kind of lost.
Are we separated? Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh my god,
damn,
bro.
bitch.
This man came
Fuck,
through the.
Marv.
Wasn't here. Nothing's here.
Nah, it was in this room, right?
Wasn't here.
Oh man.
How are we supposed to? How do we copy that though?
I mean, we're just assuming this is a code, right?
Oh!
What
Yo,
happened?
come back, come back, come back, come back.
Wait, where are you?
Just memorize the code.
Uh huh.
Like memorize the symbols and everything.
I don't
have
have to
to-
memorize it. I'm standing right here.
Oh, all right. What's the first
Well,
character? Yeah.
It's
It
the
says-
upside down Wi-Fi symbol with a bridge on top.
Yeah, that's
Basically.
actually
Basically.
That's simple.
That's basically what it is.
Oh,
The next one is a
okay.
backwards T
A backwards T.
with some
Backwards
eyes on the
T
right side.
or a forward T?
It's a
Backwards.
forward T. It's a backwards
bro.
J with a line through it.
Whose head's in the way, bro? I can't see.
Okay.
All of
Alright,
y'all,
next.
bro.
Next one.
It's
It's like an upside down.
it's
sideways
like,
G.
It's like a.
It's like a sideways
Yo.
G.
Okay, can we all back up, bro?
It's like a sideways G.
It's like half a heart without a curve.
Half
Like
a
a-
heart without
Like
a
a
curve.
like a sideways G.
That's not a G, bro. It's half a heart without the curve.
No, that's
Does it
actually that's the half of a G. Imagine
No,
the
it's
Google
a-
logo without the top
Does-
curve.
Does it have like any fucking
the top
like
part
squares?
is the top
Does it
part,
have like any squares, any trapezoids, any?
the
like-
top part is a L.
like a scythe.
Is a L turned to
Look
the
like a
right.
scythe.
You know
The
what
top
a G
part
looks
is
like?
a L turned to a right, and there's a
A
curve.
capital or lowercase G?
A capital G. Turn to the side. Turn to the left.
So turn counterclockwise.
Yeah.
It's turned clockwise. Aaron,
It's
what?
turn clockwise. Yeah.
Fuck, bro. You don't know your clockwise versus counterclockwise, bro.
Bro, it's hard to imagine turning a letter on the
Bro,
side.
I'm gonna just
Sorry.
go over there. I'm gonna just go. Over
Okay, yeah. Okay, the fourth one.
It's
Backwards
it's like a
T
capital
with a
T,
B.
capital T with
Bro, it just looks like a
a
backwards
sideways
T.
L
It's a
going through it.
backward. It's
It's a
backwards
backwards
E
T.
with a
with a-
lowercase b.
There you go.
Okay.
Blood.
Yeah, the fuck was Aaron talking
See,
about?
does it
bro?
work?
Where's your
Alright,
key?
that obviously didn't work. Look, you have to put the lantern away and then click on the symbol.
Mm.
Wait, did y'all go over there?
What's the first one?
Let me go crack
Who's
open
break-
that door.
Who's breaking the door open?
Me.
Whoever has a crowbar.
Okay. I guess you.
Now run in! Ah! Oh, there's a paper on the wall. Oh, in the hole.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, he's on top of me. Move, bitch.
Nope. Nope.
What is that?
Bro, he have his dick in my face, bro. What the fuck? I walked to
That-
the picture and it's just spawned on top of me, and I walked it straight into his
Bro.
ass. Yes, blue.
Oh
The
no.
water.
Oh
Jesus
god, that
fucking
means we
Christ.
can't run. Oh, we can run? Fuck.
Oh, what's that? What's that? What's that?
That was that my heartbeat or did you guys hear that
What is
too?
that? Matthew to the left. That's they're hanging. Marv.
Bro, I
Shredhead to
can't
the left.
see.
I see something hanging there, bro.
I don't see it. Yo,
Nah.
nice try, dickhead.
Bro, it's literally right in front of you guys. Are you guys bugging?
I don't see shit.
I don't trust
hear
you.
like
Like
a
y'all gonna try to close the door on me again.
Don't see shit.
I see this blue drip, but I just think it's water.
Kino folded.
No.
He died.
Where am I?
He died? What the fuck? He was
Bro,
swimming,
bro
bro.
Matt
was
was
face down on the
swimming.
floor. You
He
see?
was swimming. He had a heart attack.
You guys not see it hanging there? Or is it just me?
No, bro.
If
Can
you probably did you
please-
change your brightness settings?
Yeah,
That's
did
funny
you change
what
your
it is.
brightness?
That's funny
Hold
why
on,
you
hold
can see it.
3.
Oh no, another room to
Right
the right.
side. Right side.
Yeah, right
Wait, there's
side.
a code, guys.
Oh, what the f was that?
Oh my god.
Just broke.
They got clothes in the room.
No,
You're in there?
Open the door. Open the door, please.
we can't. We can't open the door.
Oh my
my
god.
God. Oh my god.
Oh,
What is that?
fuck.
Wait, who got locked in there?
Fuck.
The Jose's?
Oh, Jose's.
Oh.
Oh my god, me
God.
and they're about to die. Bro, I'm about to
Why is it
I'm
loud?
looking at the
It's
wall.
getting louder, man.
Open the door, bitch!
We can't.
We can't. We can't. Oh.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
Wait, there was a
Bro.
code. There was a code in there though.
No, Jose was in there with you.
I know, but I'm saying if I was
Oh,
alone,
God.
they would have closed that.
Yo, it's not here anymore. The pie that I saw hanging. Oh no, wait. It's look at this shit. But this is what I
It
was
was a
scared of.
tree, bro. This guy was
That
scared of
was
a
a
tree.
tree, bro.
Bro, you
Ew.
know what happens when you chop down trees?
Why is the door
Man.
already open, bro? We didn't even open it.
Let's go.
What if we walking backwards?
Imagine.
Bro, not this again, man.
Oh.
Wait, did they? Hello? You're not coming back?
I can't die.
They both got a heart attack.
I ain't gonna hold you. That shit wasn't catching me, bro.
Bro, I was about to say, yo, it's crazy. I don't think we got any jump scares yet, and then that happened.
I think they both got a heart attack.
8749.
Oh man.
Oh, what's your
Bro,
10?
Aaron,
When
why
the
you?
spiritual line offer a blade.
What's that?
in your path, The lights will hide you
Oh.
50% of the time.
The story's about a
Alright,
girl and a witch. I
listen.
think that's the girl.
He's on the
Listen,
left
I'm
side.
following you
She's
guys
kinda
only
close.
because I literally cannot see shit.
Yeah. I
Hey
can't
yo,
see.
hey
Yeah,
yo.
actually-
Oh shit! Oh shit! He's getting closer.
Oh no! Oh no!
I hear a
oh,
heartbeat,
no,
heartbeat,
oh, no,
heartbeat,
oh, no,
heartbeat,
oh,
I'm running
no.
to
Wait,
this
we're at
light
a
back
light.
here. I ran to another light.
So it's not a little girl. It's the dude. This is the witch. This is the guy, the big guy. He's gonna. This is where he's gonna torture us like this in this shit the whole time. I think we just have to run and find somewhere to hide. Look at him over there. Look at him on our
No,
left.
that's
On
not-
our left.
Yeah,
I
I
don't
see him.
see him, bro.
I don't see him either.
Yeah, I don't
You
see
don't
him
see him.
either.
I see
And
his figure.
bro, I lowered
He's
my
going this
graphics
way.
all
Bro,
the
he's
way.
getting
Oh
Look
yeah,
at
I
him,
saw
look at
that.
him,
I
look
saw
at
that.
him.
I saw
Oh,
that. I saw
I
that.
saw him on the left. I saw him running on the right.
Look, he's
Post.
right in front of us. He's on the right now.
We gotta move then. We gotta move.
He's just gonna circle us. Is what he's doing. Dude,
Alright,
look,
right,
there's a
right.
light all the way in the distance.
Yeah, that's where I'm going. You behind me?
In the distance.
Yeah, we're all behind you.
Hitting
I ran out of
jets.
stamina. Oh god.
Aaron, you still got the crowbar, right?
I'm out of
Yeah.
stamina.
I just ran out.
I don't see him though, so we good for now.
I got the crowbar out, Marv. What's up?
Nice.
Close.
I see a
Close.
passageway. Is that where we
There's
came
a
from?
thing
Don't tell me
over
that's where we
there.
came
Is that
from.
a no? I see a passageway.
Yeah. Is that where? That's not
He's
where we
going
came
to
from.
it. Wait, he's going to it. Don't go over there yet.
Nah, fuck out of here. Imagine.
Now he left. Now he left. Go, 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 go,
Alright,
go,
we
go.
out, alright.
Coming back.
Just pause
He's
up the
coming
light.
back. He's coming back. He's coming back.
Oh god.
Go inside,
I
go
hear
inside,
it.
go
Oh,
inside.
God, oh,
I'm
God.
dead.
I ran out of-
I'm
I
dead.
ran out of-
I'm
I'm on a
dead.
sprint. I'm on a sprint. I'm on a
I'm
sprint.
dead.
I'm on a sprint.
I'm dead. I'm. No,
I
I'm
got
alive.
inside.
I made
Oh
sense.
look, these are the keys, but these aren't the blade. Oh no, you have to turn them to connect them. How do you turn them? Wait, give me. Watch it. You have to connect all the lights.
Who's doing it?
I am.
I did it. I did it. There we go.
Nice.
That's the blade. That's the blade.
So
I gotta-
we kill him. We kill him with that.
I got it. I got
You
it.
gotta offer it to him, but I don't know. Oh shit, he's outside.
How do I offer it to him? Like this? Hey.
You go out there and you just say, hey man.
Alright, I'm gonna go offer this blade to him. He went off to the right.
One of us sacrifices our lives.
We're gonna do it.
I could sacrifice myself. What's up?
How about two of us go? Me and Aaron, you go. I mean, Aaron, me and you go.
I said me and Aaron, you go. Bro, if you want to stay here, just say that, bro.
Aaron, you and me, bro. Come on, let's go. I'll go with you for the content, you know. Oh, I can't see shit. Hold on, I'm holding lantern.
He's close.
Yeah. Alright.
I don't see him anywhere.
Yeah, I got the blade out.
Could you guys see us?
Right to right.
No.
What did you guys? Oh, I see you guys.
Where are they?
On the right. On the right. They were behind a tree.
I see him running around.
Oh, I hear him. I hear him.
I
Oh
hear
my
him, I hear
god. Please, please, please. Okay, I'm safe.
Spam all your keys when you walk up to him.
No, I'm safe. I'm safe.
He's running to the left side.
Oh god.
You wanna go back?
We're gonna have to confront him, man. Just to see what it's like. We don't really have a choice.
Mostly just to see what he's like. I don't want to meet him.
I think we should go, Jose, because they can't even see him from. Like, apparently we're the only ones that see him.
So yeah,
oh, he's
come
coming.
back.
He's coming over here. He's coming over here. He's coming over here.
Oh shit, he's walking up to me. He's wrong.
Chilling around. He'll come back.
I'm trying.
Yeah, we're gonna have to meet him.
I'm regenerating the stamina.
Oh, he's right there. Mar, you see him? He's right in front of us.
Nah.
See if he comes. Coming this way.
Yeah, I see him.
No, he's not. He's hello. Come over here. Oh god. Mark. He turned around. He turned around.
Oh my god!
Killed me.
That's it. He just killed you. Maybe we gotta find an altar or some shit.
Hey yo, Marv, where the fuck are we at?
Wait, who died?
Me and Marv.
Me and
Oh.
Kino.
What does it say at the beginning then?
Yeah.
When the
some
spirits
gates.
align, offer a blade to continue your path. The lights will hide you 50% of the time.
When the
Yeah,
spirits
this,
align.
this is the spirits aligning, giving us the blade.
So who do
The
you offer the
butterflies
blade
or the
to?
spirit?
I think we gotta go to an altar. He's on the right side. I can tell you where he's at.
Oh, maybe we have to go to a Buddha and drop the blade off?
I think we definitely have to offer the blade. But I don't think we have to offer it to him. I don't think he gives two shits about the blade.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we have to go to a shrine.
What y'all want to do? Y'all want to just run around the forest and see if we find something?
Might have to.
Yeah.
Okay.
All 5 of us just gotta run around, bro. Fuck
In a
it.
different direction?
Yes, different directions.
I bet. Say no more. Which way?
That's how we cover the
I'm
most
going
land.
left. I'm going left.
Wait, are they here? Y'all picked the blades?
I guess I'm
Yeah,
going to
yeah, I picked up my blades.
Alright,
Wow,
I'm
right.
Me and you, Matt.
gonna go on the right side with Jose. I'm gonna look
I'm
around
right
the
behind
right.
you, Matt.
Nice. I'm the only one by myself.
No, you said you went middle. I went
Yeah.
right. Jose.
Uh-huh.
No one else went middle.
You're
That's
with
fine.
Jose. Marv's
I'm not with
Matt.
Jose.
I'm
I'm
about to die
in the
right
same
now.
area.
Hey, Matt, turn around.
And say, hey man, turn around. I'm going.
Yeah, both of
bro.
y'all turn around. Nah, I'm behind you. Cause he was chasing
I'm
me.
gone, bro.
Why did we go to the furthest
Is
light,
this-
bro?
Is this the entrance?
But thing is, the
Might be.
first time when he
About to
pulled
find
up on
out.
me, I spammed D and shit. He turned around and left.
I'm just hoping to God we didn't just make a whole ass U-turn. No, it's not. It's not the same thing.
No, this is the entrance.
This is the entrance. Fuck my
Jose's
life.
coming. Jose's coming. Oh wait.
I think I found something. I think I found the where we offer it. It's an
Really?
Where are
altar.
you?
Man, let's go to the left.
It's on the right side.
Oh, I see Aaron.
I did it. I offered it.
Holy.
What is
bro,
that? What is
sounds
that?
scary.
What is that?
What happened?
I don't know.
You're the one who did
You
it.
you tell us.
What happened when I
Oh.
offered it?
Oh,
Was it
shit.
a loud ass
Oh.
noise?
Yeah.
I
Oh,
see.
he's
Wait,
coming,
wait,
Jose.
I gotta wait for my.
Nah, he's not gonna
Jump.
come over here.
Make it to the light. And then you
The light save you,
It
bro.
was right here, Jose. I left clicked on
Yo,
it.
just
I
hug the right
I hear
side.
him. I hear him.
Hug-
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Oh, what is that?
You're alive. You're alive. You're alive. You're alive.
I offered my
My
blade.
God.
Do we all have to offer our
Do
blade?
we all have to offer it?
No,
Nah.
no. Y'all gotta come to where
We're
we
here.
are.
Yeah. Just hug the right side.
Where are ya?
Just keep
Some
hugging
sort
the
of
right
seal
side. You're
or
gonna see
gate I
rocks.
might need to open. Oh god.
Jose, you behind me?
Yeah.
What is this?
Hug the
I'm
right
just
side.
starting
But
to
didn't
run.
you guys go a
Wait,
different direction?
do we all have to? I don't think so.
Nah, we just need Jose to get over here.
We went from spawn like to the left ish.
Exactly, Jose. So I don't think we're going. I don't know.
Did this open when we did the
I
thing?
don't know. I don't
It
know.
might have. I
Just
don't
got
know.
here. This is only my third
Yeah,
day.
it says a seal or gate you might need to open.
Yeah, so do something.
Y'all wanna hop in?
Yeah,
Yeah,
jump
do
in.
so.
Wait, what does the thing say? Sama told Hiachi that she was trapped here due to a misunderstanding. Each day the girl will visit Sama, and over time, Sama became more and more of a fuck it.
Jump it down.
Nice, man.
Yeah, that's a TP. Jump in.
Don't tell me it was one at a time.
Hey man, I went in last, and I'm here. Let's go.
Wow.
Hey fucking yo.
Yeah, this shit is locked.
I'm gonna see y'all later.
Peace out, Matt.
Oh fuck.
Oh shit.
What's up, guys?
I'm out.
Are we underwater?
Alright, guys. I'm gonna take lead.
What the fuck is that?
My friend's right here. Oh man.
My
Oh,
my
it
friends
just
are
got
right.
extremely dark.